Echoes of Tradition is a tribute to India's diverse art forms and their timeless craftsmanship. It is an experience that draws inspiration from stories woven into the rich tapestry of India's artistic heritage, narrated by artisans through the ages. A heartfelt celebration of culture and creation expressed through the universal language of art. Simplicity shines bright when presented through Warli art on an earthen wall. Drawing inspiration from Maharashtra's tribal heritage, these unique shapes and figures, part of generations of folklore, depict the tales of harvest, dance, and community. The majestic festive elephant bears witness as a canvas for the intricate Lippan art from Kutch. A delicate dance of clay and light, the mirrors shimmer like the desert stars in the run. Animal motifs carry the resilience of a region that draws beauty and inspiration from its land. From the elephant's grandeur, the path leads to the bird corner. Brought to life in vibrant strokes of Madhubani from Bihar and textures and patterns of Gondat from central India, merging structure and expression, bringing to life art that is born of rituals, myth, and tradition. Like a melody in motion, the Rajasthani motifs and puppets bring a festive vibrance to this experience. A choreography of color and form, intertwining tales of Indian artistry into one immersive narrative. Echoes of Tradition isn't just another installation. It is a collaboration between craft and design working in unison to understand culture through art. Together, every stroke, every surface, every reflection transformed Echoes of Tradition into a living canvas. A canvas where tradition met imagination and celebration found its new form.